welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified for all my future videos. Vamos a empezar. I'm super excited because today we're going to be testing, reviewing, swatching, all that good stuff. The Burano Bling 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 Glitter Polygel Kit. I am so excited, y'all. You don't even know. So it comes in this nice black box. Look how pretty their packaging is. This is actually my first time trying a Burano kit, so I'm really happy and excited, and I've heard a lot of great things about them. So it comes with a card that basically like ensures your 1 year guarantee. Like if your stuff gets messed up, like they'll help you out. It comes with a little manual on how to do it by yourself, and I love this. The sticky problem, how to like prep your nails, like that's really cool. My favorite when I first opened this was the fact that they have transparent nail forms. Y'all, I've never seen that before, like never. So I thought that was so cool, like I was a little girl. There were so many other things that I loved about this kit, including the fact that it comes with nail tips. Like, what? I've never had a kit come with nail tips. These are technically full cover tips, but hey, I can use them like on the tip of my nails, so whatever works for you. I was just trying to test out to see, because my fingers are so tiny. It's like so hard to use anything bigger than like a size, I think like 5. I mean anything smaller than a size 5, because anything smaller is way too big for me. I'm usually like the tiniest, the 4 tiniest in the scale, so it's so hard. But I love that it came with full cover tips. Came with dual forms, which aren't as curvy like compared to other dual forms, so I'll definitely be testing these out because I cannot deal with the super curved dual forms. Like, it's crazy. The 3-in-1, I've heard a lot of great things about this. I've seen Femi Beauty rave about how good the 3-in-1 is. The comes with also slip solution, which is great. Like, I love the fact that they're giving you options. Like, not only you can use the 3-in-1, but you can also use a slip solution if you're more comfortable with that. So it comes with this cool, like, I guess you can say damping dishes. It's really, really cool. I haven't tested it yet, but I thought that was really cool to include in a kit. So you can put like builder gel or gel in one and then some slip in the other, like whatever works for you. It's so cool. Comes with your standard 100-180 file, a brush, which is pretty standard for most polygel kits. So you got your spatula on one side and then you have your brush on the other. So pretty standard. It also comes with a top coat, because since the 3-in-1 it's like a nail glue, a base, and a slip solution, so you don't need like another base coat. It comes with these cute little butterflies, which are cute. And then it comes with 8 different polygels. So they're 15 milliliters. They're kind of small, but they're super, super high in quality. So let's get right to it. Number 1, we have clear, and clear was pretty clear. I'm not gonna lie. Some clears are really murky, so props to y'all for keeping that clear. Number 2, very simply, addressed to, Number 2 is just a nice light pink, very nude. Number 3, which is a really nice kind of like mauve purple, like kind of pink but not really. Really love it though. Number 4, and this one is a nice pink glitter. Look how beautiful. I really love how much glitter they actually put in these two. Like they weren't cheap with it. Number 5, and this one is a more chunkier glitter. Look at those big chunks. I love that. Oh, so beautiful. Number 6, and 6 was more of like a silvery, look at that. It's a silver chunk, like so pretty. Number 7, I loved this one. Look at this. Boom. Look at that. Doesn't it like remind you of cotton candy? I love it. It's so pretty. Then number 8, this one was like pinks and purples, and look at that. Oh my gosh, so pretty. So this one's a little light on the glitter side, but nonetheless, these were so smooth to put on swatch sticks. So props to y'all, no stickiness whatsoever. I loved it. Alright, so I prepped my nails and I'm putting on some long tips today, and I just cut the tips of them because they're actually stilettos, so just chop them off a little. And I'm using the 3-in-1 as my base. I didn't use it as my nail glue, but I definitely will next time. But honestly, I loved this as a base coat. It was so thick, and now I see why you can use it for literally anything you want. It's the right consistency for everything. I went in with number 3 and I put it on my thumb, and oh my gosh, guys, I really love this consistency of Polygel. I used slip solution at first, but then I wanted to test out how it was with the 3-in-1. So here you'll see me use the slip, and it's just so easy. It's so easy to work with, so easy to move. It's honestly the best consistency by far. So props. After I built my apex, I'm going in with number 7. My intention for this nail was more like to do an ombre, and I absolutely love this glitter because, like I said, it kind of reminds me of like cotton candy. So I am putting a nice bead on the tip, and I am dragging that up towards the cuticle, where my cuticle is. So you just want that effortless like blend. What I also love about these glitters is if you don't think they're like too glittery, you know, like you can put another layer and look how much it builds up. Like it really looks good, you know, it doesn't just look like cheap glitter on a nail, you know. So, you know, like I said, this does remind me of cotton candy, so I had to go in with the pink. Like I had to. And it was by far my favorite nail out of all of them. Even though my whole set ended up coming so pretty together, this was like my favorite individual nail because it was just so pretty. Like the glitters that are peeking through and like the pink, like yo, this was just, I loved it. And the consistency was amazing. So I really enjoyed working with Burano for the first time. So good first experience. After I finished clear capping that, I went in with number 6, which is that nice silver. Honestly, oh my gosh, I didn't even have to put like another layer of this. This was so pigmented. I loved it. So I went in with one big bead, and now you see me transition into the 3-in-1, and it was so easy. Like, I thought it was gonna be hard, but it was so easy to do. So I really liked both methods. I liked the slip, and I really liked the 3-in-1, so I might be using that more often. So in this nail, I wanted to mix my glitters around, so I went in with number 6 and number 8, and I just mixed it a little bit. I used the 3-in-1, and it was so easy to do. I just wanted, because this one was like the one that had a little less glitters compared to all the other ones, so I just wanted to add a little bit more to this one, but it came out so cute in the end. This pink is so beautiful. Loved it. I went and cleaned my nails off, and I went ahead and just like drilled my nails. I didn't want to bore you with 5 minutes of drilling, so I left that part out, and here is how my final nails looked. Look how nice and shaped and tight and everything else they look. They look so pretty. I love the shape. So after I just cleaned them off once again, I went in with some gems that I recently bought. I wanted to share with you all because I think it's important to shop at your local small business. So this one I found on Instagram. Look how beautiful. It's called Krowned Krystals, and we have to support our small businesses, y'all. So I purchased, and this was only $35 for all of that. Like, that is a lot, and I still have extra gems for each slot, so just imagine how much it actually comes with. So I went in with my pink ones, and I just went to, I honestly winged this part. I was just trying to like come up with something cute and fancy and colorful, you know, because my first nail has like blues and pinks, and then my last pinky has like dark red, dark pinks and dark blues and light blues. So Honestly, anything would work. Blues, purples, light pinks, dark pinks, it would all work. So I just went in and went ham and just explored a little, because I am really trying to get better with my gem work, because y'all, I need to step up my game when it comes to my gem work. So I think it came out cute. What do y'all think? Let me know down in the comments below. Y'all, so I put that top coat on and look how pretty. Everything just comes to life when you put a top coat. Like, can I get an amen? Like, it's so pretty. I love the way it came out. Déjenme saber lo que creen, because I am so obsessed. So I really appreciated the way that Burano really takes time in their products. Their packaging was cute, their stuff was affordable, and mind you, I bought my own kit, so this was not a break in the bank moment. It was a really affordable kit. So, and then everything was just so cute and really nicely put together, good quality products. I purchased another one, so I hope the next kit continues to convince me how much I love Burano. Y'all, thank y'all so much for watching those. So if you want to become a part of the DIY Familia, of course, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified for future videos. And as always, nos vemos en la próxima.